Hello! Welcome to my vlog. I am Paul Joseph D. Mendoza ng BS Ed 1B Science at nandito ako ngayon upang talakayin natin ang isang problemang kinakaharap ng ating planeta ngayon. At yun na nga ay ang global warming. Una sa lahat, ano nga ba ang global warming na tinatawag? It is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants. In other words, global warming is the elevation of Earth's atmosphere temperature, and the causes of certain changes occurs because of the greenhouse effect, and it is caused by the adequate levels of carbon dioxide and other pollutant gases that traps the heat coming from the sun inside our atmosphere. Now that we know and understand the meaning of global warming, let's go deeper. Causes of global warming. Burning fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels like coal and gas to create electricity or power our cars, we release CO2 pollution into the atmosphere. Australians are the big producers of CO2 pollution compared to the rest of the world. Our levels of CO2 pollution per person is nearly double the average of the developed nations and more than 4 times the world's average. Deforestation and tree clearing. Plants and trees plays an important role in regulating the climate because they absorb carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen back into it. Forests and bushlands acts as a carbon sinks and are valuable means for keeping global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Agriculture and farming. Animals, livestock like sheep and cattle produce methane, a greenhouse gas. When livestock graze at a large scale, as in Australia, the amount of methane produced is a big contributor to the global warming. Some of the farmers also use products that release nitrous oxide, which is another greenhouse gas. Now that we know some of the causes of global warming, here are the effects of global warming. Hotter temperatures. Nearly all land areas are seeing more hot days and heat waves. 2022 was one of the hottest years on the record. Higher temperature increase heat-related illnesses and can make it more difficult to work and move around. Wildfires start more easily and spread more rapidly when conditions are hotter. A warming rising ocean. The ocean soaks up most of the heat from the global warming. This melts ice sheets and raises sea levels, threatening coastal and island communities. The ocean also absorbs carbon dioxide, keeping it from the atmosphere. More carbon dioxide makes the ocean more acidic, which endangers marine life. More severe storms. Changes in temperature cause changes in rainfall. This results in more severe and frequent storms. They cause flooding and landslides, destroying homes and communities and costing billions of pounds. Now here are the things and practices for the prevention of climate change. Renewable energies. The first way to prevent climate change is to move away from the fossil fuels. What are the alternatives? Renewable energy like solar, wind, biomass, and geothermal. Sustainable agriculture and forest management. Encouraging better use of natural resources, stopping massive deforestation, as well as making agriculture greener and more efficient should be a priority. Responsible consumption and recycling. Adopting responsible and consumption habits is crucial, be it regarding food, particularly meat, clothing, cosmetics, and cleaning products. Last but not least, recycling is an absolute necessity for dealing with waste. In conclusion, if we do not take action to protect the environment, global warming will continue to increase. If we continue to engage in cruel human actions, we will steadily destroying the nature's life. The planet we live on may not be suitable for the future generations to live on. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!